Khandelwal Vaishya Girls Institute of Technology is a unit of Shri Khandelwal Vaishya Educational Trust SKVET, registered on 29 June 2009, constituted by Shri Khandelwal Vaishya Hitkarni Sabha, Jaipur. The main objective of the SKVE Trust has always been to develop and manage various social welfare pursuits for the benefit of the society. The trust adjoins upstanding members of the Khandelwal Samaj who generously donate for the above noble causes. The arduous efforts of the trustees and the office bearers of the SKVE Trust, along with the cooperation of society, will definitely bring approbation and fulfill the objective of empowering the women through higher education. It aims to prepare students to become leaders of character and influence in an independent global community. With its locational convenience, modernized academics, infrastructural facilities, and a healthy and harmonious campus environment, the institute offers a unique space for learning, holistic growth and professional development. Innovation, technology and values go hand in hand at KVGIT.
खंडेलवाल समाज गत 100 वर्षों से जयपुर शहर में शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में और विभिन्न सामाजिक कार्यों के रूप में एक अग्रणी समाज के रूप में जाना जाता है। सन 2007 में श्री खंडेलवाल वैश्य एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट के माध्यम से वैशाली नगर में एक 10,000 गज जमीन सरकार द्वारा आवंटित कराकर यहाँ पे एक गर्ल्स टेक्निकल कॉलेज के रूप में स्थापित करने का निर्णय लिया और 2010 में समाज द्वारा एक खंडेलवाल वैश्य एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट का गठन किया गया और उसी के तत्वाधान में KVGIT खंडेलवाल गर्ल्स इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी के नाम से यहाँ संस्था शुरू की गई। मैं समाज के उन सभी भामाशाओं को सम्मान करता हूँ, प्रणाम करता हूँ, नमन करता हूँ जिन्होंने खुले दिल से इसमें आर्थिक सहयोग किया। साथ ही यहाँ की फैकल्टी मेंबर्स तो प्राचार्य डॉक्टर अंजू गुप्ता के नेतृत्व में कार्य कर रहे हैं, उन सब के अथक प्रयास से आज ये संस्था शीर्ष रूप में विकसित हो रही है। हमारा उद्देश्य है कि इस शिक्षण क्षेत्र को हम जयपुर में नहीं पूरे राष्ट्र के अंदर जो है अग्रणी संस्था के रूप में विकसित करें।
One of its kind girls' college in terms of infrastructure, KVGIT boasts a grand amphitheatre, an indoor sports area, a library abundant with books from a wide variety of subjects to supplement the students' growth, and specialized high-tech laboratories with sophisticated equipments for physics, chemistry, zoology, botany and computer science. In these labs, students can engage with several educational resources to further their understanding of their subjects and the world. A recently built auditorium with a seating capacity of 700 people, equipped with all modern facilities, including the latest multimedia projectors and surround sound, is available for the students' use for cultural and educational activities. An on-campus hostel is available for the students, enabling them to spend more time in the institute, access the library and computing facilities to aid their development as responsible intellectuals. The institute also provides a canteen for the students, where they are served nutritious and filling food for the students, keeping their needs and hygiene in mind.
I, being the General Secretary of Shri Khandelwal West Educational Trust, which has been providing the services in the field of education for the last 70 years in Jaipur and around Rajasthan. It is a dream project which everybody likes to make this as the best class institute of Rajasthan and also in India. In the 10,000 square yard of land, we have constructed around 2 lakh square feet of carpet area consisting of lower basement, upper basement, ground floor, first floor and second floor. We have also developed an endowment fund of 5 crore rupees whose interest will be used to provide the scholarships to the needy students. In this endowment fund, 20 lakh rupees has already been deposited.
The management committee of the institute is dedicated to imparting quality and professional education of the highest standard using the medium of English, while at the same time not neglecting basic Indian values. Home to 1,350 students, KVGIT offers several undergraduate and postgraduate courses including MSc, MCom, MA, BA, BSc in Biology, BSc in Mathematics, and BBA. Also offers MBA courses approved by the AICTE and affiliated to Rajasthan Technical University. Learning is made easy for the students by use of smart classrooms all over the campus.
KVGIT is a leading institution for girls' education in Jaipur. We have professional tie-ups with various organizations of India. We have signed an MOU with Institute of Cost and Management of India, as well as we have a local chapter of NPTEL in Jaipur, and we have tie-ups with ICICI Skill Academy to impart quality education to the students of KVGIT.
The placement team handles all aspects of placement at KVGIT to foster an all-round culture among the students and epitomize their power of innovation. KVGIT organizes various events within the campus which provide students with a platform to enhance their knowledge and skills.
The placement internship that are provided is the best part of our KVGIT. They always help us to support and giving guidelines. KVGIT added feathers to my life. Most of the students of KVGIT are placed in companies like Infosys, Genpact, etc.
KVGIT leaves no stone unturned in ensuring that the students get a well-rounded and promising education. Students get the opportunity to pursue a wide range of sports like rollball, netball, wrestling, judo, volleyball, badminton, athletics, kabaddi, carom, chess and table tennis.
I'm glad to be a part of this prestigious institution. Our college not only focuses on studies, we have extra co-curriculum activities like NSS, Scout Guide and sports. If we talk about sports, we represent our college on international, national and state level. We won many trophies and medals in inter-college competition and in inter-university competition. We organize seminars on various social awareness by renowned speakers. To make people free from addiction, we organize drug de-addiction camp in slums. We time to time visit orphanage and old age home of Jaipur to make people familiar and to provide them services. Girls are trained to do self-defense. That's all. I'm happy to be a part of this prestigious college.
They are diligently trained by sports instructor and have represented the college on national and international levels. Showing off their immense talent, students regularly win sports events with overwhelming performances. Recently, a student Pratibha Parikh won a gold medal at the 4th Rollball World Cup. Another girl, Poonam Rathore, was selected in All India Softball Tournament held at the University of Calicut. Another student, Pinky, won a bronze medal in wrestling held at University of Rajasthan. Safety and security are integral to KVGIT's educational goal. Apart from the guards at the gates, CCTV cameras have been installed across the grounds for round-the-clock surveillance.